Dental implants and why they are awesome. What are dental implants? Who is an ideal candidate and why do they work awesomely? Dental implants are highly effective and permanent solution for replacing missing or severely damaged teeth. Unlike dentures or bridges, implants are surgically placed into the jawbone, providing a stable foundation for artificial teeth that look, feel and function like natural teeth. Ideal candidates for dental implants are individuals who have healthy gums, sufficient jawbone density and are in good overall health. They are perfect for people who have lost teeth due to injury, decay or aging. Implants work wonderfully because they integrate with bone, a process known as osseointegration, making them secure and long-lasting. Plus, they prevent bone loss and help maintain the natural shape of your face. Dental implants offer a permanent solution for restoring both aesthetics and functionality of your smile. Missing teeth? Rediscover your smile with dental implants. Schedule your consultation now to learn how they can restore your confidence.